Okay, there's definitely something electrical going on with this car. I have to spray it with starter fluid into the intake in order to get it to keep running. And once I do that over and over again, then it stays running. But the idle is kind of up and down. It's not really, stable. I'm gonna go inside and let you listen to what I'm talking about. But this is the thing that's really catching my attention. I have tail lights that are on. Some of the lights are on, some are not. Just this reverse light is on. This has the 3 lights right here on. And then up in the front, this light is on. But not the other side. I do not have my lights on. So why are these lights on? The switch is not on. Now, it's running, but like I said, in order for me to get it to run, I had to keep spraying it with starter fluid right there into the intake. The idle is not smooth. I mean, it's not, the engine is smooth. It's not vibrating excessively, just a little bit. But you can see that, it's not running at its optimal. So we have an issue, and it might be related to electronic or something not communicating, preventing my car to start. I don't think it's mechanical, but I don't know. This auto control valve right there, is that at fault? If I hit my brakes, if I hit the brake pedal, if I turn on the headlights, this car will shut off immediately. Now, me telling you that, what do you think it is? When I hit the brakes or headlights or any kind of current draw, it shuts off immediately. And why are my lights on? Some lights are on, some are not. Is there a short somewhere? Tell me what's going on.